Today's successful companies can store, evaluate, and secure massive amounts of data. Anyone with the data skills to design and build data infrastructure is in high demand. That is why employers are competing to hire data architects to be the visionaries that lead companies to success with data. In Udacity's Data Architect Nanodegree program, you can turn business requirements into the blueprints for enterprise data management systems. You will learn how to take the data skills you already have to the next level by building big data warehouse solutions in Snowflake and designing data lake architecture that supports big data processing. Your customers' trust is key. You will learn best practices in ensuring their data is safe and establish the processes to ensure the quality and integrity of all data throughout the company. The projects you will build reflect the business needs of today. You will design an end-to-end data architecture framework that will ingest big data and transform it to a warehouse system ready for analysis. Data architects can be a transformational force within any company. Sign up for Udacity's Data Architect Nanodegree program today.